are implied. So why these statistics? Not only for the individual, even for the government. How government? Suppose when we take the government, we are basically having the three sectors of agriculture, industry and service sector. How we government want to make the, what we say, the development activities or the economic planning is based on statistics. Suppose nowadays we see it's unemployment issue. Why this unemployment issue is getting? Why? Because the government sectors is being closed. Now when we take the Nizam sugar factory or any factories, they are closing. In the meanwhile, it is getting unemployment. Suppose the Telangana government, they are stating they are having 10 lakh unemployed youth. How we can measure? It's a statistics. This statistics is very important for the normal man, for a daily laborer, to the government or even for the Bill Gates. He have to calculate his economy, how much we are getting and how much we are spending, how much we are saving. This all economics, social sciences, and this is statistics. So how statistics is used for a government? As we know, we have very departments. Labor department we have, revenue department we are having. How much income is getting, how much loss is getting. Suppose we take the employment, because of the undergoing of all the government employees, we are only having the private sectors, that is software companies and even the agriculture also, they want to make it as a corporate. Now, suppose when we take the three agriculture bills that was taken by the union government is based on the corporation of agriculture sector and industrial sector. How many industries we are having? Government industries we are having only the defense institutions, defense, BHEL and Bharat Heavy Electronic Limited, this ISRO, these are all the government and army related. How can army be measured? In the sense how much weapons we want, how much we are investing for the defense. When we take the India and China, India, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, how this Navy or the Army or the Air Force, how much we are getting, these all are based on the statistics. And when we take the SPSS, it's a statistical package for social sciences, how much package we are allotting for the social sciences, and we have many data. Computerization is being engaged in every department. No department is without computers. How we are entering the data into a computer is our topic, that is SPSS. Now the basic functionality, that is the mainframe computers. As we are the computer students, we call computer application. The ancient history when we take about the computers, it's a mainframe computers. Mainframe in the sense we are not having this much small computers. This whole room is of one computer. That is called mainframe computers. Up to that, we are now using the smartphones and tabs. This much technology has developed. How this technology has developed? In the sense, it is also based on statistics. We are using mobile phones and we are saving the data. And what is the basic of storing the data is the Excel, MS PowerPoint and MS Excel. We store all the company's data or the government's data, everything we store in the SPSS. And how these are used? Why the software companies are running? What is the work that is done in Wipro and Infosys? All these are done by our government departments. Suppose when we take any department, suppose take education department, how much government is giving expenditure and what is the output they are getting. Means how many colleges we are opening, how many schools we are opening, what is the standards. This measurement of standards is also based on the statistics. Everywhere we are based on statistics. Suppose when we take the state of Telangana, I think 6 or 7 years back, the Telangana government has launched one program, that is TS-IPASS, Telangana State Industrial Project Approval Self-Certificate System. What is this program and why this has been introduced by our Honorable Minister KTR Garu and KCR Garu, and remaining programs like Make in India or Made in India by the central government. These are all based on the technology development of the youth and how we are using the technology incubation in the students, TS-IPASS or industries approval. And what is T-Hub? Now we are launched in High-Tech City, we have launched the T-Hub program completely for the development of youth and technology. How this technology is being enabled. And next, when we go to the central government, the first thing where they got many votes is because of the Digital India. Digital India in the sense, again using technology. Again it's connected to statistics. So everywhere it is connected to statistics and lifelong we have to use this statistics, there is no other way. And when we see the development of SPSS, how it was developed by means it was first introduced in 1975 by IBM. IBM in the sense International Business Management. It's an organization. Suppose when we take the commerce students, we have many. Suppose we take the insurance, life insurance, or the IDA, that is Insurance Regulator and Development Authority. We have for statistics IBM, that is International Business Management, that was adopted in 2009. This SPSS, that is Statistical Package for Social Sciences. And when we take this, suppose now we have seen the pandemic of 2 years, Corona. How we face this Corona in the sense by the proper maintenance of data. How many members enter into our country, how we capture them, how many people they met, and what are the medicines that we imported. This is all related to statistics. So statistics is major and very crucial in our lives. Suppose when we take the law and management, for Hyderabad we are having another name, that is Cyberabad. As we all know, why we named it as the Cyberabad in the sense we are having the technology and cyber towers established in high-tech city based on all statistics. So these are all about statistics, SPSS. Now my friends will tell more about this.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal ma'am and all faculty members, and myself is Krishna from BCom final year. So I will explain about what is business analytical tools. So business analytical tools refers to the skill, technology, practices to continue the developing new insights and understanding of business performance based on the statistical methods. The scope of business analytical tools refers to